guys, it's Randy with Rolling Rack Posh, and today I'm getting into a little shirt bleaching project. I found 3 t-shirts. Some are in good condition, some have flaws. And for example, Massimo is pretty popular right now. I don't know if you guys remember that 90s brand. We're selling a lot of these on eBay and Poshmark, but this one has some imperfections. It has a couple like bleach spot stains on it already. It also has a couple little holes down here, but what I was thinking is kind of repurposing it, cutting it to make it a crop top, and then trying this bleach technique on it to see how it works. So today we're experimenting with that. I also have a Whitney Houston shirt, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's like kind of an oil spot or something in there, so I'm going to target bleaching that with the splatter look. And then I also have this really cool Britney Spears shirt that's really soft, awesome fabric. And I couldn't tell if this bleach spot was an accident or on purpose, so we're going to add a little more purpose to it by just bleaching the whole thing. So we'll see how this turns out. So for supplies, you're definitely going to need bleach. Be careful with bleach because if it gets in your eye, you could go blind. There's a lot of bad stuff that happens with bleach. You definitely don't want to get it on your own clothes, and you want to be in a well-ventilated area if you're going to work with bleach. If you don't know how to work with bleach, then work with an adult or work with somebody that knows how to work with bleach. You want rubber bands, and I have gloves and a squeeze bottle, and the bleach ratio is 1:1. So if you have 4 ounces of water, you want 4 ounces of bleach in there. So I'm going to put my gloves on while we do this. I also have a bucket that I lined with a garbage bag that I tore down the seams. There's 2 garbage bags in here, just so I can kind of work in here and not get splattering stuff all over. So we're going to pour the bleach in this bottle here. I'm going to do it over the bucket just in case my hand's not super steady. There we go. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not doing exact measurements, so I'm aiming for half and half. Some people use a squirt bottle and they'll just spray it, but it has a lighter effect on the clothes. I'm going for a more clumpy effect, not so much with the spray. I'm really curious about this one, so I'm going to start with this. So what you're going to do is lay your shirt out flat. And the main focus of the shirt for me is this logo. So what you're going to do is grab the focal point and pinch it. And then you're going to turn, and you're going to kind of make like a cinnamon roll. Doesn't have to be super perfect, but you want it to be bunched up. And then you're going to put the rubber band around it and kind of make like pie slice sections. So I'm going to put a couple rubber bands on here. And we'll go with one more. I went with the thicker rubber band. Don't know if that'll make much of a difference if you do thin or thick, but I thought I'd try with thick just because it can hold the fabric together a little bit more. All right, and I'm gonna go with one more, like right here too. No, I'm not. Okay, so basically all these rubber bands are crossing in the middle, and what you're gonna do is aim for a section, like every other section, we're gonna spray with this bleach. I'm gonna do it in the bucket. It's kind of tie-dye bleaching, so it doesn't have to be super perfect, right? So let's start over here with this one. It's kind of splashy. I didn't really do every other because this is a big section. And then you're gonna flip it over. You can kind of see what's saturated. Ooh, it's definitely a strong smell. Let's do this whole piece here, this whole piece here, and a little over there. All right, and we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna open it up, take the rubber bands off, open it up, and then I'm gonna actually go rinse it in either the sink or a bathtub. I actually have a hose out here, so I may just rinse it in the bucket. And then after you've rinsed most of the bleach off, then you can actually wash it in your washing machine and put it in the dryer and then check it out. And that's how you do it. We're gonna do 2 more.